CD Simplicity Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card you choose this year could quietly save you hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars in interest, without flashy points, without confusing rules, and without pressure to spend more than you should? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Understanding the CD Simplicity Credit Card in 2025 could become one of the smartest financial decisions you make. The CD Simplicity Card is not built for travel hackers or luxury perks. It does not try to impress you with airport lounges or complicated reward systems. Instead, it focuses on something far more powerful for many people: simplicity, low fees, and long-term interest savings. And the surprising truth about this card is that its quiet design can create massive real-world value if you use it correctly. So let's slow down and walk through exactly what this card offers, who it is for, and how to decide if it deserves a place in your wallet in 2025. The CD Simplicity Card is best known for its long introductory 0% APR offers. These offers allow you to carry a balance or an extended period of time without paying interest. In 2025, this card continues to offer one of the longest balance transfer and purchase introductory periods in the industry. This means you can transfer existing high-interest balances or make necessary purchases and pay them down slowly without interest for well over a year, sometimes approaching 2 full years, depending on the promotion. You won't believe what happens next when people use this feature correctly. Many cardholders use Simplicity to consolidate high-interest credit card debt. Instead of paying 25% or more in interest on old balances, they pay 0% for a long period. This can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on how much debt you are carrying. Now let's talk about fees, because this is where Simplicity quietly stands out. There is no annual fee. There are no late fees. There are no penalty APR increases for missed payments. This is extremely rare in the credit card world. Most cards charge late fees, and many increase your interest rate if you miss a payment. CD Simplicity removes much of that stress. This does not mean you should miss payments, but it does mean one mistake will not snowball into long-term financial damage. The card does charge a balance transfer fee, which is standard in the industry. But even with this fee, the savings from avoiding interest often far outweigh the cost. Interest rates after the introductory period are competitive for a mainstream card. While you should aim to pay off your balance before the intro period ends, having a reasonable ongoing APR is an added layer of protection. CD Simplicity does not offer rewards. There is no cashback, no points, and no travel perks. This is intentional. The card is designed to help you manage and reduce debt, not encourage more spending. Now let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine a woman named Rachel who has $5,000 spread across 2 high-interest credit cards, each charging over 24% interest. She transfers both balances to the CD Simplicity Card during a 0% promotional period. She now pays 0 interest for over a year. By making steady monthly payments, she eliminates her debt without adding new interest. She saves hundreds of dollars in interest and becomes debt-free faster. For Rachel, Simplicity becomes a financial reset button. Now imagine a man named Kevin who opens the same card, but continues to use his old cards and carries balances on all of them. His Simplicity balance grows. He does not take advantage of the 0% window to reduce debt. When the introductory period ends, his interest charges jump. He becomes frustrated. For Kevin, the card did not fail. His strategy did. This reveals the surprising truth. The CD Simplicity Card is not a magic solution. It is a tool, and like any tool, its value depends on how you use it. Customer service with CD is generally reliable. Online account management is robust. You can track balances, due dates, and payments easily. This makes staying organized much easier. Now let's answer the main question. Is the CD Simplicity Credit Card worth it in 2025? If you are carrying high-interest credit card debt and want a long runway to pay it down without interest, this card is one of the best tools available. If you want a low-stress, no annual fee card with forgiving terms, it is also an excellent choice. If you are looking for rewards, points, or travel perks, this is not your card. Here is a smart way to use CD Simplicity. Transfer your high-interest balances. Stop using the old cards. Make a clear payoff plan. Pay more than the minimum every month. Finish before the intro period ends. Then decide whether to keep the card open for emergencies or close it once your balance is 0. Most people get this wrong by treating Simplicity like a regular spending card. Its true power lies in debt management. So should you choose CD Simplicity or leave it? If your goal is to reduce debt, lower interest, and simplify your financial life, CD Simplicity is absolutely worth it in 2025. It can quietly save you money, reduce stress, and help you regain control. Your financial future is shaped by the tools you choose and the habits you build. CD Simplicity gives you the breathing room. What you do with it determines your success. If this review helped you understand CD Simplicity more clearly, make sure you stay connected for more honest financial guidance that helps you make smarter choices. Your next decision could move you closer to freedom. Choose wisely and build forward.